There's no surprise that even a Jordan 1 like the Lattes is gonna sit in 2024. I just laced these up with the cream laces and they're looking beautiful. We're gonna go over every detail on this sneaker, show y'all what they're looking like on feet, and give you my honest opinions when it comes to the Jordan 1 Latte. Make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important details when it comes to this shoe. Also, I would love to thank y'all for helping me get to 26,000 subscribers. Y'all been going crazy. I told y'all it's a small milestone before 30K. So now we're on road to 27. Thank y'all for subscribing. If you do end up joining the family, comment that you're a new sub so I could welcome y'all. There's still hella y'all that come back to the channel and aren't subscribed. I don't get it. If all of y'all sub, bruh, we'll be at 30K tonight. But I digress. Let's go ahead and get into the Jordan 1 Lattes. First and foremost, these come in this special box. Has like a latte coffee foam type of vibe on it with the cream and then the Nike in the darker tan caramel color. Nike all around the box as usual. On the front we have my size in women's, which is an 11.5, converts to a 10 man. Color code is black, legend, medium brown, and white. Opening the lid, obviously you have the kicks, green sticker on the inside. I got these straight from GOAT. These actually bring a coaster that says "See You Latte." We only see shit like this for women's releases. Crazy. Getting into the kicks, you basically have the black toe color blocking with the light tan milky color on the back, off-white midsole, and that's it. I'm gonna break it down completely in a little bit, but that's pretty much what it is. Let me pull the other one out. Even the paper has that print on it too. I low-key like them more with the cream laces. I just think they flow better. Let me know if you would go with number 1, which is cream, or number 2, which is the black laces, in the comments. It's clean either way, but I think it's cleaner like this. It just matches the tongue a little more, lets the other colors pop. Maybe I'm tripping, but I think that's the way I would do it. Especially looking down, like, bro, that's way better. Let me know if y'all like how the Lattes are looking on feet. I think it's almost the perfect shoe. Has a color on there, but it's extremely wearable. It's almost what Jerry Lorenzo does with Essentials. Monotone tan color that literally you can wear with anything and everything, paired with white and black and then cream. Bro, it's a fail-proof colorway. What would y'all rate these on feet? I haven't worn them yet, but I can tell you off of just looking at it, it's a 9 out of 10, bro. It is what it is. Y'all could hate it in the comments all you want. Jordan 1s could be dead for life, but it just works. We've been getting a lot of tan Jordan 1s. Last year we got the Palominos, which are still a beautiful sneaker. I'm glad I have both of these. Kind of glad I have these more than the mochas because it's 2 different tones. So now I got the darker version for winter, lighter version for spring, summer. Both have that off-white midsole. Basically got the bread color blocking and the black toe color blocking. All we're missing at this point is the Chicago color blocking. From these 3, which would y'all choose? They almost have that same kind of vibe, especially if you have the mochas on top. I think there'll always be something about the Travs that's just, come on, bro. These cheap alternatives ain't bad at all, for real. Would y'all take the Palominos over these? Palominos are currently at around $200 if I'm not mistaken, and these are damn near $140 for my size last time I checked, but it's nothing over $140, $150. I can't lie. And they haven't released yet, so you know these shit's about to go on sale. Crazy to even see it because this is a beautiful Jordan 1. Can't even lie. We're supposed to get the mocha lows in a few months. I'm excited for those. I might try to go for them. That way I literally have all of them. Mocha lows instead of the highs. I got the lattes, these, whatever type of coffee I need in my life, we good. All right, today we got the lattes, women's exclusive. Let me know, Bigfoot gang, if y'all up in here, if this was an extended sizing sneaker, is it one that you would have picked up? Did Jordan Brand low-key drop the ball again, or is this one that y'all are cool with just being for the ladies or for anybody under 10.5, to be real with you? Real quick, let's break down the Jordan 1 Latte, starting with the outsole. You got that tan latte colored outsole. There's nothing else about it. Nike Air in the middle, off-white tannish midsole. You can see the contrast from the regular white versus the off-white. Obviously that black toe color blocking, and then you have the traditional white on the toe box, mid panel, and I believe the tongue too. Maybe I'm wrong. because you can see the off-white on the laces. Around the back of the sneakers where you see that latte color wrapping around, I don't know about you, but I love the tone that they decided to go with. It literally looks like the mochas with some milk added to it. The swoosh is actually pretty tumbled. It feels plush. It's not like a fake tumble. Might still be realistically, but it just feels smooth and plush on both sides too. Leather's pretty plush on the toe box. Nothing too crazy though. Smooth leather around the toe. What else could we really expect, bro? It's a Jordan 1. Materials are better on this one than your regular Marina Jordan 1 and terrible leathers. They typically do better for the women, I'm not gonna lie. Once you go to the midsole, that's when you see the fire ass touches. Full design on the insole with the 23 instead of the Nike Air. Right shoe has Nike Air, left foot has the 2-3. Black Nike Air on the white tongue. And that's pretty much it for the breakdown of the sneaker. Clean shoe. I don't understand what's going on, but Jordan 1s are officially defeated, bro. Nobody care about these shits. It don't matter what it is. I wonder if people are gonna keep that same energy when the Bread 85s drop or the black toe highs drop later this year. But shit, I'm gonna keep enjoying it. I got these early for right around retail. I'm not even tripping actually. One last look on feet. Let me know if this is a pair you're gonna be going for. Could you fit them? Could you not? Do you think it's worth it? Are you gonna wait for them to go on sale? Did you already buy them? These are all questions I got for you. Let me know in the comments and let me know if they look better on feet than they do in hand. While you're down there commenting, let's see if we could get this video to 200 likes, bruh. Go down there, leave a like. We've gotten the last 2 videos to 200. I know we could do the same with this one right here. Make sure you leave a like, show some love in the comments. I appreciate y'all forever. Thank you for everything. Also have a great rest of your day, night, morning, evening, whenever you're watching this video. Spend some time with your loved ones because you don't know how much time we got left. And all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all in one of these 2 videos, bro. That's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. So check one of those 2 out and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.